everybody. This is Worre, and welcome to NetworkMarketingPro.com. I'm here with my friend Alex Morton.
Yo, yo.
How are you?
I'm great, man. How you doing?
This guy looks like a supermodel. He has hair like I used to have, and he's anyway, he's thin, and I'm not. But anyway, he is. How old are you?
24.
24 years old, and he's rising up the charts, making big money in network marketing, building a huge organization. How big is the organization today?
About 15,000.
15,000 people, and growing
and
rapidly.
Growing, baby. We're growing.
And a real hardworking guy. I think you decided to just kind of put your head down and go to work.
Yeah.
Some people maybe have given you a little hard time for that, I'll bet.
100%.
Yeah,
100%.
you get a little bit of a hard time because, like, my gosh, is that sustainable? Is it this? Is it that? I admire the passion. I admire the work ethic. For every person like yourself that really is hitting it hard, there are 100 people who aren't hitting it enough.
Right.
Who aren't working hard enough. So I don't mind the fact that you swing the pendulum a little bit over to the hard work, hustle side.
Oh, yeah.
Going out to make it happen. I got to tell you that I'm proud of you, number one, and I'm impressed with you, number two, because I started when I was 22. And frankly, I didn't start to get any momentum really until I was like 26, 27. That's when I started to get some momentum. So the fact that you're already really crushing at age 24.
We're getting there.
Yeah, I know. And I know the fact that you're dissatisfied with where you're at. You know, you feel like it's an unnatural state for you to be under $250,000 a month. I know, but this young man is going to be one of the speakers coming to speak at GoPro Recruiting Mastery.
I'm ready. I'm fired up.
Yeah, the youngest ever to get on the big stage and speak to the network marketing profession. We're going to have a huge group of people there, November 20th through the 23rd. There's a few tickets left. Those are going to go on sale on August 11th. So if you haven't made your decision yet, you should think about going. But share with people what your kind of mindset is and what you're looking to talk about when you come in November.
Yeah, I mean, you said it, hard work. I really think this industry is the greatest opportunity, greatest industry in the world, 100% phenomenal. But I think it takes a lot of work. I think to really earn the big bucks and make, really, I think we've started a movement here, really this revolution of not just young people, but young at heart people that want more out of life, that want to better their living situation, their family, retired mom and dad. And what I'm going to talk about is, honestly, I'm going to be blunt, honest, and give you guys, kind of the nuggets and information that got me to where, I'm at. I got in this industry, I was 21 and a half, no direction in life, partying.
Oh, wait. First of all, nobody but a young person talks about years in halves. I haven't talked about being 50 and 1/3. You know what I mean? You do it when you're 20 and a half, 21 and a half?
21 and a half.
21 and a half? All right, I'll give you the half since it's in the early 20s. But okay, so you didn't have a lot of direction, you're partying, doing the stuff.
Just having fun.
Right.
But I made the decision. I looked at the economy, I looked at the job market. I was blessed to have a mentor that had what I wanted. 10 grand a week at 25, I said, you know what, that sounds a lot better than not having 10 grand a week at 25 years old. So I followed a system and work hard. I'll be the first to tell everybody in this industry, if you want to earn what the top 3% earn, you got to work your butt off. I mean, you have to sacrifice, you have to, kiss mom and dad goodbye and, get after it and get it done.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to share with everyone that there to how to take their business and life from here to here to here and get the job done, make a lot of money, and live the dream. I mean, live the Worre dream. That's what we're after here.
My dream is to help as many people as possible. I know yours is too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Talk about, just give people an understanding about the whole young people thing.
Yeah.
Because in many companies I've noticed around the profession, there are young people coming in bunches.
Yes.
In different countries around the world, in many different companies. It's not like one company over another. What's the attractive thing for a young person getting involved in network marketing?
Our generation, we want more. We look at a lot of our parents and our grandparents, and jobs are great. I'm not here to bash, jobs. I'm not here to bash education. We don't want to make anybody wrong, but, I've learned in my short 24 years here is that you have one life to live. And in network marketing, it is really the only vehicle I see to create that rock star lifestyle, to have, the monies, the cars, the houses, but like you said, help people. I mean, we've helped so many young people retire mom and dad, pay off student loan debt, and get the life they want. And I think it's super attractive. Number one, we're the most socially connected generation to ever walk planet Earth. Number two, we hate being told what to do. Here, you have your own boss. You are your own boss. And number three, when you have the right opportunity and something that makes sense to you, that can fit into your life, it clicks. I'm not the smartest kid in the world, but I graduated high school, 1490 SAT score, went to Arizona State University, but I'm hungry, and I've never been as hungry as I am right now. And my thing now is, with some of the stuff I'm working on, is I want to be able to impact and better the lives as many young people and older people as possible.
Yeah, old people need a chance too.
Man,
Don't just hog it all.
Yeah. It's all good. My dad's
the
59.
Old person
He's
revolution.
Young. Old people revolution. Young at heart revolution. But I'm fired up, and I'm excited to speak at the event, and really, I'm going to bring it. So if you're there, get ready, because it's going to get broad.
Well, we just wanted to be able to introduce this young man to you and have him share a few ideas and let you know that we're serious about what this event is going to be. I'm looking for the best and the brightest. The lineup at this event is unlike anything I've ever seen in over 25 years in the profession. It literally is going to be a spectacle of greatness.
Yes, sir.
The people that are going to be there. So look for August 11th. Look to be able to get your tickets if you haven't gotten them already. And ladies and gentlemen, our wish for you is that you decide to become network marketing professionals. You decide to go pro, regardless of age, regardless of background, regardless of experience, because it is a stone cold fact that we have a better way. Now let's go tell the world. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.